In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block company in LinkedIn. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your profile page. This is the main area where you can view your personal information, activity, and the companies, people, and topics connected to your account. Starting from your profile is helpful because it gives you access to the section where LinkedIn organizes your interests and followed pages. Once you're on your profile, scroll all the way down toward the bottom until you see the section called Interest. Depending on the version of LinkedIn you're using, this area may include companies, creators, groups, or other pages you've chosen to follow. Take your time here because the section can sometimes be lower on the page than expected, especially if your profile includes a lot of experience, posts, or other details. Now, it's important to understand one key point. LinkedIn does not currently offer a direct feature that lets you block a company the same way you might block an individual user on other platforms. So if your goal is to stop seeing updates from a company or remove that company from your followed content, the best available option is to unfollow it. This won't completely block the company in a strict technical sense, but it will help reduce its visibility in your LinkedIn experience. When you find the company you want to stop receiving updates from, click on Following. This is the control LinkedIn uses for pages you already follow. After you click it, the company will be unfollowed. That means its posts and updates should no longer appear in your feed as part of your followed content. If you're doing this because you want a cleaner feed, this is usually the most effective solution available on LinkedIn right now. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make your homepage feel more relevant and less cluttered. Also, if you accidentally unfollow the wrong company, don't worry. You can always return to that company page later and follow it again. That's all you need to do. Go to your profile, scroll down to the interest section. Keep in mind that LinkedIn doesn't support directly blocking companies, and then click Following to unfollow the company instead. It's quick, straightforward, and the closest alternative to blocking a company on LinkedIn.